In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your offline screen on Twitch. Suppose I want to set this image as my offline screen on Twitch. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. For convenience, I have bookmarked my Twitch account page so I can log in quickly. Let's click on it. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Creator Dashboard. In the left side menu, expand the Settings tab. In the Settings tab, click on Channel. In the Channel Settings menu, go to the Brand tab. Scroll down to the end of this page and go to the Video Player Banner section. In this section, your previous banner will show. As I'm doing this for the first time, I don't have a previous banner. In this section, click on Update. In the pop-up, click on Upload a photo. Now select your desired photo. Wait for the photo to upload. Remember, your photo needs to be under 10 megabytes. Now, if I go to my Stream Manager, you can see that my screen is showing my offline banner. Following these steps, you can easily change your offline screen on Twitch.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.